Her husband? Who needs plates when you got this guy's face, right? Wait, I almost forgot. I'm supposed to do a quick customer satisfaction survey before I split, okay? So, on a scale of 1 to 3 stars, what would you say about my performance? And don't forget, the squirrel was...
My bad.
Huh. Congratulations! Huh? It's a boy!
In every civilized community, there's an outcast. From a young age, the outcast has trouble fitting in. Can sometimes feel invisible.
Thank you.
And often has difficulty